In the new firmware version, it is now possible to change the language of the web interface. In addition to English, the languages German, French and Chinese are now introduced. Just make the desired change. The language is adjusted automatically, no device restart is required. If you have changed the IP address of a device, it was possible that an incorrect setting made it unreachable. To prevent this, now a safe restart mechanism was introduced. After a reboot, you must reconnect to the web interface within 5 minutes, so that the previous changes on the interface are permanently saved. Otherwise, it will restart and the old settings will be applied again. Another new feature is the session auto-login. This means that you remain logged in even if the IP address has been changed. With a firmware update, it is now possible to perform a device backup before the update. Simply set the appropriate checkbox. Lloydtec devices with multiple extension ports now support the operation of an LM-Bus 2080 interface in parallel on each individual port. Thus, the total number of controllable M-Bus devices can be increased by using several LM-Bus 2080 interfaces. The Lloydtec Links configurator and the web interface support the assignment to the extension ports and move one extension port to another. A simple option has been added to turn a universal input into a binary input. Set the option Digital Input and enter the on and the off value of the hysteresis. This can be used, for example, for a pressure sensor where a pressure of 100 Pascal must not be exceeded. Lynx and L-Gate devices have now implemented a JavaScript engine. Script modules can be embedded in the data point configuration and downloaded to the devices. The web interface provides an overview of the installed modules and allows you to start the scripts in debug mode. These JavaScripts can be used to implement custom protocols or to integrate third-party IoT devices. For more information, see the Lynx Configurator user guide.